Meaning of fruit cocktail.
Fruit cocktail.
Fruit cocktail.
Fruit cocktail.
Fruit cocktail. Fruit cocktail is a mixed fruit dish typically served as a dessert or snack. The dish contains various fruits that are cut into small pieces and mixed together in a sweet syrup or juice. The types of fruit used vary depending on availability and personal preference, but common ingredients include peaches, pineapples, pears, cherries, grapes, and bananas. Fruit cocktail is often served cold and can be enjoyed on its own or as a topping for ice cream or yogurt. It's a refreshing and simple way to enjoy a variety of fruits in one dish.